Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is my homework English. Let's go. My best friend. My best friend is called Nohemi. She likes to dance. She likes the countryside. She doesn't like ketchup. She doesn't like living where there is a lot of noise. It's impossible. She can drive her own motorcycle. She can also make delicious recipes. How to change the world? She can say live as a nurse. She likes to serve others. When she was a child, she could climb trees without help. She could play the drum when she was 10. She couldn't run very fast because it's a girl who has short legs. It's true. She likes to go out with her husband and son, but she doesn't like to be alone. The most important is that my best friend is my wife. Thank you so much.